Hello, GAT takers. Set of important quantitative section questions. Let's get started. Question 1, if x smaller than 0, compare between x power 3 and x power 2. In this question, we have x is smaller than 0, so we can say that x equals -3, for example. So if x is -3, so -3 raised to the power of 3, it will be -27. And also -3 raised to the power of 2, it's 9, because you know that if you have an even exponent, it will eliminate the negative sign. So this is positive, this is negative, it means b is greater. So the answer is b. Let's move to question 2. What is the value of x? This angle, it measures 70, so this is also 70, two vertically opposite angles. This angle measures 140, so this is 40. As you know that their sum is 180, two supplementary angles. Now we have a triangle. You can find the value of x. You know that the sum of measures of the interior angles of any triangle is 180. It means 40 plus 70 plus x. This is equals 180, so 110 plus x equals 180. It means x, by subtracting 110 from both sides, x is 70. The answer is C. Let's move to question 3. The sum of three consecutive integers is 48. So what is the greatest number? Let the first number be x, the second x plus 1, and the third is x plus 2. Their sum is 48. So 1, 2, 3. So 3x plus 3. This is equals 48. Now we'll solve this equation. 3x equals 45. Divided both sides by 3. It means x equals 15. So the first number is 15, the second is 16, and the third is 17. The answer is B. Let's move to question 4. 20% of a number is 30. What is this number? So translate into math. So we have 20% of x equals 30. To change 20 into 100, just multiply both sides times 5. As you know that 20 times 5, it's 100. So 100% of x, which represent x, equal 30 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. I'll write down 1 0. So the answer is 150, which is C. Let's move to the next question. This is a very important question. 1 over third plus 2 over 2 over 6 plus 3 over 3 over 8. If you have a fraction in the denominator, flip the denominator up. So it's 1 times 3 over 1. Also, the second one, you will flip 6 up. So it's 6 times 2 over 2. Plus flip 8 up. So it's 8 times 3 over 3. Now you'll simplify 1 times 3 over 1, which equals 3. 6 times 2 equals 2. You can simplify like this, so it's 6. And also this one, it will be 8. So 3 plus 6, it's 9. 9 plus 7 equals 17. It means the answer is A. Let's move to the next question. Compare between A, 100, B, the square root of 2,500, and the square root of 1,600. You know, we can calculate this square root. It's what? It's the square root of 2,500. You can write it as root 25 times 100. Root 25, it's 5. Root 100, it's 10. So it's 50. So all of this square root, its value equals 50. Also, we can evaluate this one, 1,600. You can write it as 16 times 100. The square root of 16, it's 4, and the square root of 100, it's 10, so it's 40. Remember that if you have multiplication, you can take the square root, it's okay. But if it's plus or minus, you cannot take the square root. You have to add or subtract according to the question. So this is 50 plus 40, which equals 90. It means A is greater. For question 7, if x divided 2 divided 2 divided 2 equals x over 16, what is the value of x? Pick one from the choices and plug in. If you put it 0, 0 divided 2, it will be 0. 0 divided 2, it will be 0. 0 divided 2, it will be 0. For the right-hand side, it will be 0 over 16, which equals to 0. It means that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. So the answer is A. Question 8. A school separation hall has a maximum capacity of 45 people. If the school principal, student council, and 3 teachers will attend to own a group of students, and each student is accompanied by one parent. What is the largest number of students that can be invited? So we have school principal, 1. We have student counts, so this is another 1. And we have 3 teachers, so their total is 5. Subtract 45 minus 5, which equals 40. Now we have 44 students, and each student with him one parent. So you will divide it 40 by 2, because with each student is combined by one parent. So it's 40 divided by 2, which equals 20. So you have 20 students that we can invite. Let's move to question 9. Compare between A, which is root 25 plus 49, and B, which equals 12. I told you before, we cannot take the square root. If it plus or minus under the square root, we cannot take the square root. Just add 5 plus 9, it will be 14. 4 and carry up 1. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So we have root 74 and 12. If you have real square root like this, you can make both sides squared like this. Because you know that power 2 will be cancelled with the square root, so it's 74. And 12 is squared, which equals 144. It means B is greater. Let's move to question 10. If a store charges 300 riyals to ship 6 batteries, how much would be cost to ship 10 batteries? Okay, in this question, this is proportion. We have 6 batteries, 6B. You can ship them with 300 riyals. So if you have 10 batteries, how can we ship them? Or what the price of shipping them? Cross multiplication, so x equals 300 times 10 over 6. Divided 6 is 1. 30 divided 6 is 5. And write down 1 0. So 50 times 10, which equals 500. The answer is D.